Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making brunch for our family. So we are going to be making avocado boats. I'm so excited to make this because when I think of avocado, I really think of breakfast, but we're going to add in some protein, some veggies, and we're going to put it in the oven and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So if you want to see how they come together, make sure you keep watching.